Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what we dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Headlights on the... Okay, so today I'm gonna dupe out these two palettes. So I'm gonna use like same shades and let's just see. So one is from the Pat McGrath palette. Her palettes are insane though, so we will see. And then this is from JUVIA'S place. So we're gonna see how the same colors might not be exact. I try to match the palette as closely as possible. So let's see how like closely together how they can blend and stuff like that, right? Like, so let's how they look, the whole stuff. I know that might not be fair because Pat McGrath is insane. Actually, let me go first with the JUVIA'S place. So I'm gonna use, this is a Morphe M332. Actually, yeah, that's fine. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here and I'm gonna put this here. Okay, this brush is terrible. I can already tell you, like, it's like wobbling. And guys, like when I do these videos, by no means am I saying, hey, go buy this palette, even if you know it end up not being a dupe, or like, because I know like Pat McGrath shadows are pretty, I mean, they're insane good, but like I totally get it, you know, you're not wanting to spend that kind of money on a palette, like it's and that's okay. That's okay. And then I'm just blending this. Ooh. Nice catch. And so I'm not gonna use this brush. I'm just gonna use different brushes and I'm gonna go into, actually let me just blend this. I might not bring anything else into this. Same shade, I'm just like blending the edges. I'm not gonna use any glitter glue because that will not be, this is just like a paintbrush actually. It's crafts for all. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here. So I'm not gonna use any glitter glue because Pat McGrath shadow, I don't need glitter glue. And I think it won't be fair if I use glitter glue for one and not for the next. So we're just gonna not do any glitter glue. I don't know how I'm gonna survive with that, but and then that's it here. And then for my other eye, oh no, sorry, not my other eye, was still here. I need one more shade in this to just kind of blend this out a little bit. This is a MAC 221 and I'm just gonna get like a brownie shade, this shade right here, and just put that right here. I feel like I can get another shade from Pat to mix this nicely. Headlights on the highway. If you only then back to that dark brown. This brush is terrible, just so you guys know. The first brush I use is like wobbly. And then back to this, and then making sure this is blend nicely. Okay. So now we're gonna go into Mothership 5, which looks like so, but I'm only gonna use these two shades and this to kind of like mimic the same shades that I use with the Nubian palette. And this is actually a 210 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I mean, her palette is like wild. I feel like this is more warm and then this is a little bit more cool tone. Just work this. So it's like I'm putting the darker part and then I'm kind of blending it, which is crazy because this brush is not even like a blending brush, but it works. Like, to move the product around. And I'm gonna use this blush. Nope, not this. I can use this. This is from Rephr, and we're gonna use this shade right here. Look at this. Like it's like giving iridescent, like multiple different, it depends on like where you're looking. Yeah, pot shadows are insane. Like this, it looks green, but then it's like it doesn't. It just, even if it looks like the same shade with that other, like the one from the JUVIA'S palette, it's just not the same. Even if it looks the same. And then let's go back to that brown. So I feel like the shades are not the same. I kind of had a feeling because Pat McGrath shades are so unique. Like her blends are just crazy. I try to, you know, mimic this, but look at this shade. See, this is so pretty. I need to bring this up a little bit. And I'm back to this palette. Just fixing this. Okay. So I think that's good. So, yep, I'll give my final thoughts at the end of the video. I'm gonna go off camera, do my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Actually, I haven't put on my lashes yet because they're being lashes today. Some days my lashes are a pain in my, you know where, right? Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this. I have so much like little skin tag thingies on my face. I need to make an appointment with a dermatologist to go, you know, get this removed because I don't like to sit up. I'm gonna put a little bit of my sunscreen, just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Eborian primer. So I have two shades in this because I have a winter shade and a summer shade. Summer come really quick for me because I am walking and I'm walking in the sun. So, and then I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever concealer. This is from Too Faced and it's the contour stick. And you just blend this, and this is an E34 from Morphe. This blends like so well. It's like nothing crazy, just I'm really focusing it like back there, you know, to make the face look a little, you know, skinnier. Actually, I'm joking. My focus on making my face skinnier is working on my weights. You know, sometimes like people just see people heavy and they're like, oh my god, they're fat and they're not doing anything. Not always the case. I used to be pretty skinny, but I had crazy health issues, but that's no longer the case. So now I am working on getting my weight back. Not to where I was. I don't know if I ever want to be that skinny again, but to a healthy place, you know. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Laura Mercier powder. I used this the other day and I liked it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. And this is Collab. So I'm gonna use my Nubian, and we're just gonna go on the brown. And this was on a Marc Jacobs brush. Oh, and this is Tarte Fake It. Actually, let me use this. This is from Natasha Denona. And this is what? Dark 4. I'm gonna use this brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. We're gonna go ahead and use this. And then a little glitter from Exhilarate from Bare Minute, not Rare Beauty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my final treat. This is what? True Burgundy from Makeup Forever. I'm gonna use Latte Lip Gloss. Okay, let us go quick on this, because so first we're gonna talk about the Nubian palette. So it does 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 shades, and it's $20, and which is what I have on this eye. So it's $20, 12 shades. It says the essential nude eyeshadow palette for dark and light skin and all shades in between. The Nubian is universal flattering and features a mix of velvety mattes and subtle shimmering pearlized shades for limitless eye looks. A must-have for every beauty routine, this 12 series of classic nudes and neutrals is highly wearable for an ultra flattering makeup look that's the perfect complement to any complexion. So again, here $20. That's how this looks. So let us jump into the Pat McGrath. So the Pat McGrath is $128, which is what I have on this eye. $128. So I know that's pretty steep, but it says adorn your eyes in sensory surreal incendiary shades ranging from glimmering rose golds, molten metallic bronze, and incendiary crimson of mesmerizing mattes with Pat McGrath Lady Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction palettes. I mean, and that is what I have over here. Like, look at the difference. So this shade actually in the pan, like let's talk a little bit about it. So in the pan they look exactly the same, and however when I put it on, that's how it looks. Like, you know, they do not look the same at all when they're on the eye. And depending on how, then it's silver, then it's green, then it's like a shifting color, which I don't mind at all. I love it. Yeah, so this is Pat McGrath and this is JUVIA'S place. At the end of the day, guys, did I get, or was I able to achieve a nice look here? Yes. Was I able to achieve a nice look here? Yes. Pat McGrath eyeshadows is out of this world. Like, it's insane. Like, her palettes are, her eyeshadow are really good. The formulation is insane. It's smooth, it's creamy, her shimmers work amazing. Like, it's just, it's not on the same world, but I wanted to kind of give you guys the idea of, like, you know, the look that, you know, it was able to achieve, like using palettes that pretty much, they're both neutral palettes, right? The bronzy, but they look totally different. I know. And you know, the question of the day is, like, Is that a dupe? No. I think it's gonna be pretty difficult unless I'm looking at a palette that's maybe kind of around that same price range to compare to her. Like, her shadows are just so good. They're so good. So good, right? So is it a dupe? No, it's not a dupe. I'm not surprised, you know, like I kind of had a feeling that it wasn't gonna be a dupe, but hey, can you create a look? Yes. Let's hide these fingers. Can you, you know, 100%. But $20, $128. So you figure out whether you want to spend $128 instead of spending $20. If you just kind of want to splurge, go ahead. But it's 100% not a dupe. So that's it, guys, for this Dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.